Hey, Yuki, I need to tell you something.
Yeah? What is it?
It's just that. It's just that. I don't want to be friends with you anymore. What? Why? I thought we... Shut up already. The reason why I don't want to be your friends is you kept bullying everyone. Even Cala Maria. Wait, who's Cala Maria? Cala Maria is this mermaid that likes to go on water. Yeah? How about that, loser? What? What the heck? You really think that you're not going to be my friend, Ayumi? Well, I'm never your friend anymore. Oh, Chester says. Oh, hey, Oka. How are you? I'm doing good. Just trying to plan something. Chester? Hi, Chester. It's just that you're only mine, okay? What? Come on. Just wait. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Somebody tell me that the world is gonna know me. Oh!